Hello guys, and welcome to my vlog for today. My day was so hectic today. I started dropping the kids off at school. I went to do some work for the day. I recorded my video for today, which is going to be posted tomorrow because my videos. Hello guys, and welcome to the video. I'm Kululeko Cele, and welcome to the beauty of South Africa. If you are in this channel for the first time, this is a channel that deals with your favorite subjects, ranging from travel, automotives, cars, car reviews, the fabulous lifestyle, fashion for grown men, tech, and fragrances. So if this is one of your favorite subjects, I'm happy to let you know that in this channel you will find it. In this channel we always make sure that you learn something new, so I promise if you stick around you will not regret it. Please become a member of the family. Subscribe, like the video so that it can be suggested to more viewers. Comment, let us know what you think of the video, and yeah, just become the member of the family. So once again, thank you so much for joining me in this video, of which I want to share with you my package from Temu, which only costed me 350 rands. Okay guys, I really apologize for this segment. Due to technical difficulties, my audio was not recording. I am using new equipment, so this new equipment actually did me wrong. I really apologize. I will comment, or I will do a voice over here of what I was trying to say here. So I was actually explaining that the order was 350. Basically my aim was to buy a tripod that I would basically use for my business, for my photography business. But to my surprise, Temu offered me a free gift, 3 or 4 more free gifts, of which in this video I will show you. I will show you those products. So I was trying to show you also the packaging that came, and the fact that I ordered it on the 25th of March. It came through on the 4th of April, of which I think it's not bad considering that it's coming from China. As we all know, Temu is a Chinese company, and the fact that I know some people think that Temu, they have an impression, or Temu has a reputation that, or China has a reputation that they sell cheap stuff, weak stuff, and in South Africa we call Temu products, or the Chinese products, we call them Mama Fong Kong, because they are usually weak products of low quality. But I was actually surprised with my order and my gifts and my products that I got for free from Temu. So if you are interested in looking at those products, please stay and watch the video. And more that I was trying to say, guys, here is the fact that I also have a perfume business. I sell perfumes. I deliver everywhere in South Africa. I sell 50 mils fragrance well perfumes at 50 mils. One is 150 rands, and the 100 mils are 300 rands. Delivery is only 60 rand, guys. Anywhere in the country where you're US, we do ship across, or we do ship nationwide. So I hope you will support. Okay guys, let's go on with the video. I'm sure you're tired of looking at my face. Okay guys, this is the second segment where I do the unboxing. So as you can see, this is the package, and it came with everything, with my whole package from Temu. And then now the unboxing is starting, and there is my tripod, the one that I ordered. I'm impressed with the packaging. The packaging is normal, high quality, and that's the name of the tripod right there. Okay, it comes with that bag like that, of which also it's quality that is okay, nothing new. That's the thing for the phone, if I want to use the phone instead of a DSLR camera. I also like the fact that you can use it as a bag, you can carry it around, it's very easy to carry. And that's the real deal right there, it's in a plastic bag. Okay guys, starting from the packaging, the actual tripod, I'm actually so happy. If I had bought it locally, I would have paid more. but I only paid 350 rand for this iPod, which came with free gifts from Temu. We're gonna look at those gifts as we go along the video. Please keep watching. And now moving along to the free products, and my first product is a camera mounting dash that sits on the dash. I'm going to use this to take content when I'm driving, maybe when I'm driving out of town and I want to show you the landscapes, the roads and everything. That's what I'm going to use. And maybe when I do vlogs, I will see if I'm able to do vlogs where I put it on the dash and the camera faces me, then I'm able to do vlogs. Yeah, so really my content game is increasing here. So that's the packaging. It came just like that from Temu. From the packaging, it was opened. I think it was packed underneath, and all the other products that they were shipping were on top of it. That's why the box was like that. I like the quality. I'm happy. Locally I would have paid I think about 100 rands for that, or 80 rands. I got it for free through Temu. So watch out for content. More content is coming, guys. And I am happy to announce that we are back online again with the normal voice. Let's continue with the video. And thank you if you are still watching. Okay guys, let's take a look at our next product, which is basically in this packaging here. As you can see, I already opened it. There is another plastic bag that is supposed to be here. It didn't just come like this, guys. Okay, it is. Okay, it was inside this, and this is a selfie stick. Yo guys, I'm battling with this. So yeah guys, our next product is basically this. It came in this package here. Came in this package. It was inside this package just like this. So in case you're wondering, so this is a selfie stick, guys. Okay, you do this and then you extend it here just like this, and then you take your photo. It came with this. Okay, I would use this if I'm going to make my car reviews. I would put it just like this, and then oh gosh. Okay, supposed to open this and you can put your phone vertically or horizontally. There's the shutter button here, which you will need to synchronize with your phone. Guys, so far I'm quite happy with this. I'm 100% happy. It's a free gift. 100%. My rating so far is 100%, considering the price, considering that it's free. This is about 200 rand if you go to the local shops and want to buy it. Okay, let me place this. Put this here. Okay, do this quickly. And then, guys, our last item, which came in this packaging here, it's this. And those who have a higher IQ than others, they already figured out that it's the microphone. Yes, I got the microphone. This is how it came. I'm quite happy with the box. It's nothing new, nothing less, nothing more. It's just basic. When you open it, this is where the microphone would go, and this is where the antenna would go, the receiver, Bluetooth receiver, I think. And then it comes with the charger. Since it's a wireless device, it must come with the charger. I'm going to put this back. It also comes with a manual. The manual basically sits here. This is the charger. Presentation, guys, not Temu. This is the charger here. And I know in the beginning of the video, I think I had problems. I don't know whether I did record using this microphone, but if you want to know how the microphone is, you can watch one of my videos. Follow this link. So there's a review already of this microphone, so you can go over and look at it. Guys, that's it with my products, which I got for 351 rands. I'm quite very happy with this value for money. Considering the price, guys, I'm happy with the quality. I'm sure some of you will complain that Temu cheap stuff and this. It's free, guys. If you want to go and buy expensive things, you can go. It's you are at liberty to do that. But I'm quite happy. This is gonna escalate, take my business to the next level. I hope you found this video fruitful. I am also in the business of selling perfumes. I am also in the business of selling perfumes. This is 300 rands excluding delivery. This is 150 excluding delivery. Delivery is basically 60 rands where I would transport it. And then you can collect it at your nearest facility. This one is for women. Very good fragrance for women. It's 300 rands. This is an order for a customer. It's going to Pretoria. This order is going to Pretoria. As you can see, this is the presentation here. So I hope you're going to support the business. I am going to put fragrances that are on stock, and then you can do your orders. So these ones are 150, 300 rands, excluding delivery. So if you're watching until this time, guys, I want to say thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was valuable to you. Put your comments in the comment section. Let us know what you think. Anyways, I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.